Say hello to Maple Ridge Townhomes, your ticket to the ultimate uni life, modern minimalism and campus proximity in the cosy spirit of Blacksburg. These vibrant 2, 3 and 4 bedroom apartments come with cosy beds for restful nights, dedicated workspaces for focused study, a smart TV for movie marathons, an in-unit laundry for effortless chores. Also, water and electricity are included in your rent. Study smarter in the community workspaces, then recharge at the gym or with a dip in the outdoor pool. When it's time to unwind, the clubhouse and social lounge bring the fun to you. Wrap up your day with some barbecue from the grills in the outdoor lounge and snuggle up by the fire pit. With reliable staff support and secure parking, life here couldn't be easier. Guess what? Virginia Polytechnic Institute and State University is just moments away by car, so your trips to campus are effortless. With buses from Whipple or Givens, plus the Roanoke train station, exploring the city and beyond is seamless. Don't miss out. Secure your spot at Maple Ridge Townhomes Blacksburg via amberstudent.com now.